Hey there, experiencing issues with your TP-Link router showing a red light after changing your password? I've got you. In this guide, we'll delve into the steps needed on how to fix TP-Link red light when you change your password. These simple tips will help you troubleshoot effectively and get back online in no time. Step 1. Verify the password. First things first, ensure that the password you've set is correct. Double check for typos or unintended spaces when entering your new password. Access your TP-Link router's configuration page via a web browser, typically by entering 192.168.1.1 or tplinkwifi.net in the address bar. Log in with your credentials and navigate to the wireless settings section. Re-enter your desired password and save the changes. Remember to apply the same changes across all your connected devices. Step 2. Reboot the router. A simple reboot can work wonders. Once you're sure the password is correctly configured, unplug your router from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds to a minute and then plug it back in. Allow a few minutes for your router to fully restart. The red light often indicates issues with the connection, and a reboot can help reset the connection and eliminate minor glitches. Step 3. Check internet connection. If rebooting doesn't resolve the issue, there may be a problem with the internet connection itself. Ensure that your modem is functioning correctly by checking the indicator lights on the modem and router. If either device shows signs of trouble, the connection might be the culprit. Contact your internet service provider to check for outages in your area and ensure that your service is active and operational. Step 4. Reset router to factory settings. For persistent issues, resetting the router to its factory settings could be the solution. This step will erase custom settings, including the password you changed, so proceed carefully. Locate the reset button on the router, usually a small pinhole at the back. Using a paperclip, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds or until the router's lights flash. Once reset, refer to the manufacturer's instructions to set up your network from scratch, including reconfiguring your password. Step 5. Update router firmware. Outdated firmware can also cause connectivity issues. Visit the TP-Link website to check for the latest firmware updates for your model. Download the firmware file and access your router's configuration page again. Go to the Firmware Upgrade section and follow the instructions to upload and install the new firmware. Updated firmware can resolve bugs and improve the router's overall functionality. Step 6. Seek professional assistance. If you've tried all the previous steps and the red lights persist, consider reaching out to a professional. TP-Link customer support is equipped to handle technical issues beyond basic troubleshooting. They can provide specific advice for your model and work through more advanced troubleshooting if needed. There you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively tackle how to fix TP-Link red light when you change your password. Always prioritize double-checking your settings, rebooting devices, and staying up to date with your router's firmware. With these strategies, you'll help ensure a smooth and hassle-free internet experience. Don't let a little red light dim your connection.